Ready to transform your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker? Welcome to Day 5 of our English Learning Challenge. Today, we'll work on improving your pronunciation. I'm Professor English, and I'm excited to help you speak more clearly and confidently. Let's start with vowel sounds. In English, we have 5 main vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Each vowel can have different sounds. Examples: A as in apple, E as in elephant, I as in ice, O as in octopus, U as in umbrella. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Great. Now let's practice with some words. Examples: A, cat. E, bed. I, sit. O, dog. U, sun. Repeat after me. Cat, bed, sit, dog, sun. Now, think of a word for each vowel sound and say it out loud. Pause the video and write them down. Ready? Go! How did you do? Did you come up with a word for each vowel? Now, let's practice consonant sounds. Examples: B as in ball, C as in cat, D as in dog, F as in fish, G as in goat. Repeat after me. B, C, D, F, G. Excellent. Let's practice with some words. Now, let's practice consonant sounds. Examples: B as in bat, C as in cup, D as in duck, F as in fan, G as in gate. Repeat after me. Bat, cup, duck, fan, gate. Can you think of 5 words that start with these consonants? Pause the video and say them out loud. Write them down too. So how did you do? I am sure you did great. Now, let's talk about silent letters in English. These are letters that appear in the spelling of a word but are not pronounced. They can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Examples of silent letters: silent K, knife, knee, no. Repeat after me. Knife, knee, no. Silent B, thumb, lamb, climb. Repeat after me. Thumb, lamb, climb. Silent W. Right, wrong, wrist. Repeat after me. Right, wrong, wrist. Silent H. Hour, honest, air. Repeat after me. Hour, honest, air. Silent T. Listen, castle, whistle. Repeat after me. Listen, castle, whistle. Common pronunciation challenges. V versus W. Fine, wine. Repeat after me. Fine, wine. S versus Z. Sue, zoo. Repeat after me. Sue, zoo. B versus V. Boat, vote. Repeat after me. Boat, vote. L versus R. Light, right. Repeat after me. Light, right. SH versus CH. Sheep, cheap. Repeat after me. Sheep, cheap. Pause the video and practice these sounds and words. Try to record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. Let's have some fun with tongue twisters. These are great for practicing pronunciation. Examples. She sells seashells by the seashore. Repeat after me. She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Repeat after me. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Great job! Try to come up with your own tongue twisters or find more online. Practice them and challenge your friends. Here are some tips for improving your pronunciation. Set a daily goal. Spend 10 minutes each day listening to and repeating after native speakers. Record yourself. Regularly record your speech and compare it with native speakers to identify areas for improvement. Practice with tongue twisters. Use tongue twisters to improve your articulation and speed. Engage in live conversations. Practice speaking with native speakers or language partners as much as possible. Focus on mouth movements. Pay attention to how your mouth, lips, and tongue move when producing different sounds. Great job today. Keep practicing your pronunciation. Do you want to continue learning with our 10-day challenge? Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any lessons. See you for day 6. Leave a comment below with your favorite pronunciation tip or any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you.